Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about inverted right half pyramid star pattern and inverted left hand pyramid star pattern. So firstly, we will start with the first one. I'm going to create a file here. Inverted right half pyramid star pattern.py. So I'm pasting the structure here for the reference and commenting it out. And let's define a function main first. Then we take input from the user and convert into the int value. And I write down a function here, write down a message here for the user. Pros. Then we will start a for loop, and the for loop will be start from 0 and end on rows. It can be anything which is given by the user. Again, we will start a nested loop. Firstly, in the first row we have to print a 5 star, so range will be start from the 0 and rows minus I, because when it goes to second row then it will print 4 stars, and third row it print 3 stars. So this is the code. We have to print the star, print star, and again print 4 goes to next line. So check the condition here to run. Check file is running directly from the command prompt, sorry, from the terminal. Let's call the function now. That's it. So go run the file on the terminal. Python 3, paste the file name. Ooh, I made a mistake. Oh, it should be like this. 5 rows, and it showing the pattern like as I have shown in the top of the this file. Yeah, this is for the inverted one. Now we will do the same thing for the inverted left half pyramid star pattern. Copy the structure, create new file, inverted hyphen left hyphen half hyphen pyramid star pattern.py. So I'm going to copy the structure here and commenting it out. Yes, let's start the function again. Accept the input from the user, write down a message for user. Let's start the for loop again. For loop for print the stars 5 times. Okay, 0 I, then print space, and again we have to do one more loop. Okay, it will print stars, and again print to move the cursor next line, and check the file is executed in terminal, then call the function here. Now let's run the file. Python. Yes, now the pattern is look like the shown in the top of the file. It's same as the file. Thank you for watching the video.